Put the tabletop on the stand. Align it with the hole. Thread the wire through the center hole. Align it and take the black screw. Align the whole screw in. Tighten slightly, not fully. Once all four are in, proceed. Tighten all four screws. Use the wrench to tighten it. The stand's done, so leave it for now and connect the seal. Put the vacuum here. Attach the hose. Connect the intake hose. Attach hose first. Plug in the cord. Plug it. Pull the tabletop out a bit. Place the tabletop. It's on the table. Pre-installed wiring quick connector. Thread it through here, through to the tabletop. There is a lead coming out of the stand. Okay. Red goes to red, yellow to yellow, blue to blue. Push. Tuck wires in. Align the tabletop. Aligned. Put the vent back in place. Once it's assembled, just put the accessories where they belong. Reach the tabletop. Ready to use once plugged in. Yeah. Built-in air hose connector in the table. It's for the airbrush. If there is an air line already at the site, just hook it up to this connector.